Home Remedies presents How to Ease Inflammation, Nerve Pain and Joint Pain with this herbal infusion. Just imagine being able to tackle stress, anxiety, nerve pain, joint pain and inflammation with a relaxing cup of tea. Yes, this is possible. A tea made with the leaves of holy basil. Loaded with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, holy basil provides all these benefits. The process of usage is very simple and you will require nothing but basil leaves. How to make and use basil decoction. Simply boil 12 to 15 basil leaves in 1 cup of water till it is reduced to half and drink it 2 to 3 times in a day. How to make basil juice. Simply crush 10 to 15 basil leaves, extract its juice with the help of thin cloth and consume at morning. Basil is an excellent herb if you take it orally in a limited dose for a short period. I would always recommend to use any herbal remedy for 4 to 6 weeks. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.